Hey guys, so today I'm here and I want to do a quick review on the Mix Chicks Deep Conditioner. I let you guys know a few weeks ago how I've been using this, and guys, I love this. I picked this up from Ulta. It's about 14 bucks. It's a very clean smelling product. It's not overly fragrant. This stuff is great. I really love it. It just works so good. I feel like my hair feels so much softer after I use it. Don't pay attention to my hair today. I just have it I just did a little quick hair thing actually, but I just took it out of this thing after sleeping on it down, and this is what it looks like. But absolutely love this. This is so amazing. I like how it's actually not overly fragrant, and I do not need a lot. Normally I find myself running through hair masks like crazy, but the weird thing with this one is I feel like I only need a little bit. You know, I'll put it in my hand and it really, like, I don't know, like it really spreads, and then as I put it through, I don't find myself needing to keep going in and grabbing more and more product to feel like it's feeling soft. So I like that. I also like how the product will settle back down. I don't know if that makes sense, but I can take some and it like fixes itself. I know that sounds weird. It's a weird thing to like, but I don't know why, but I like that. But I just love how this feels. I love that I don't need a whole bunch, especially because it was more on the pricey side to me. I love the fact that you do not need that much. One of these times, I'm going to take and braid my hair and keep it in overnight. I'll let you guys know how that goes. I'll probably do a little video on it, of course. You guys know I've been actually talking more and doing more videos. But it says right here, nourish, detangle, and hydrate thirsty locks. Reconstruct and soften stubborn style hair into healthy and easy maintained tresses. And yeah, I'm going to say yeah. It's really nice. I got nothing bad to say about it. You get 8 ounces in this. It's a pretty big tub. I really like it so far, and you guys see I have a lot, I think a decent bit of hair. It's not super thick, however it is long, but I really like it. I'm definitely going to do an overnight thing and see what I have, see what, you know, how it feels then. I feel like it would be even softer, but I definitely want to jump on here because you guys asked about it from my video from like about 2 weeks ago, and I really love it, so I really recommend this. This is really nice. It feels really good in the hair. It actually feels soft. Definitely recommend this. I think if you got dry hair and you want to give this a shot, I recommend. This is just for moisture, by the way, so if you guys are looking for protein, this doesn't have any protein in it. This is just a deep moisturizing conditioner. So that is what that's going to do. So those of you who are, maybe you have super bleached hair, and it's like that mushy kind of hair, this might not be for you. You want something with some protein in it. But if your hair has just really dry, my hair is even naturally dry, even when I was a kid, this, oh my god, it just feels so good. So I highly recommend it, and I thought it needed a shout out, but definitely recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Let me know down below any products that you guys think I should try out, and in case you guys don't know, I actually have a whole video on Mix Chicks products that I do have and love. So I do have a video on that, so please check that out as well. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.